So this is a 1955 Chris Craft Continental Sedan. It was the first Continental Sedan that was built. They built, I believe, 23 of these boats with the sedan roof. This was the first of those. It's got a side thruster in the back to help maneuver the boat. As you can see, the finish on the boat is like new. All of this trim is factory Chris Craft trim. All the parts on the boat are Chris Craft parts. It's all original. It has, when you look at the sedan roof, you can see that it's got speakers. It's got 4 speakers here in the back, one front, one rear. Those are high-end tweeters and high-end speaker, high-range speakers. And then these are lower-range speakers. And then up in front, I've got a large subwoofer, and that's behind the dash panel. Also have some more of the bigger speakers up in the front, mounted in the side panels, up behind the dashboard. When you look at the boat from the inside, the only thing of the air conditioner you see is the vents and the controls. Roof hatches lift here. You've got 2 latches here that close the roof. And when you open those, the hatch opens and closes. You can take the hatch off if you don't want to have it on the boat at all, or you can even run it with the hatches up in the wing position. So you can see, you can actually go down the lake. We made these off over center sliders so that going down the lake, you could run down the lake with the hatch up if you wanted to. You can take the hatch off. It's got a screw right here that you take loose, and one right here. You just Allen wrench and take those 2 little discs off. It has the side thruster controls here, and of course the throttle and operation controls here. It has the original little box there to hold things, and there is storage underneath the seats. As well as a little plate here to access down here to get to the plug if you want to drain the boat. Also, I have a battery switch underneath the back seat that you can access and turn the battery for. It's got 4 batteries, and you can access all 4, or you can access 2 batteries. Material that was used in 1955-56, so we went back with that all over the boat. So the boat looks very original, but it's much more comfortable to operate now. As you know, these big boats like this, with the hatches, with the top on, with the sedan top, docking these boats was a little bit difficult. So that's why I put the hatches in it, so that I didn't have to run back to the back for everything. So I'm able to dock the boat with the hatches right in the raised position. I happen to have a manufacturing facility, then we make sheet metal parts and pieces, and we made all of the pieces out of stainless steel and polished them. That went into this boat. The whole roof underneath the covering is stainless steel. It does have some wood panels to give it the fullness that it needed to look like the original top, but all the structure is stainless steel, so it'll never rust. And you can see the Crusader 8.1 HO motor. It says Crusader Captain's Choice 8.1 HO. As you can see, it's got very few hours on the boat. You can see the air conditioning compressor right here for the air conditioning system. It's also got lines running for the heater system. The interior is like new, very comfortable. It's got the trim, matches the mahogany. So looking at the boat coming from the front, again, it's a 56 Continental, and it's all the original windshield for the sedan roof.